Sky Pond, one of the most popular hikes in Rocky Mountain National Park, and with good reason. With 2 waterfalls, 3 alpine lakes, and several cascades, this trail is pretty dope in the views department from start to finish. Today I logged in 10.5 miles with 2,000 feet of total elevation gain. I started at the Bear Lake trailhead at about 6:15 a.m. as the Glacier Gorge trailhead parking was completely full, which is normal even on a weekday. Arriving at 6 a.m., I had to purchase a timed entry pass. I did that the night prior at 5 p.m. as soon as the extra timed permits went live. Had no problem reserving it with the $2 fee. Scenic stops on the way to Sky Pond include Alberta Falls, the Loch Lake, Timberline Falls, Waterfall Scramble up Timberline Falls to Lake of Glass, and finally Sky Pond. The scramble up the waterfall, it intimidates a lot of people. If you're not used to climbing, I can see why this is the case. Just take it slow, make sure you have at least 3 points of contact, and keep in mind that there is really only one crux move where you have to do a foothold to get up. Other than that, the waterfall climb is not that hard at all. The hardest part is just waiting in the conga/traffic jams going up and down the waterfall. There is an alternate route if you want to hang off to the left to avoid the crux move. You're just going to be doing a harder move, which is going to be on wet rock. Do it at your own risk. I did it this time, but I've also climbed this waterfall several times. Once you get through the waterfall scramble, the hard part's done. Then you're rewarded with views at the always windy Lake of Glass. Continue on to Sky Pond. Sky Pond is a decent sized alpine lake and it receives plenty of traffic. Although because of the size of the lake, you can always find a place to sit down and get away from the crowds. Exploring the lake does require a little bit of boulder hopping, but there's just so many spots where you can take in the views. It's pretty amazing. My favorite spot at Sky Pond to hang out and take pictures is on the east side of the lake, which requires a little bit of boulder hopping, and then getting down to the shore where the rocks are. It just gives you great views of the lake itself and the cathedral spires or the shark tooth. Left Sky Pond after hanging out for about 45 minutes. Decided to trail run back to Bear Lake Trailhead. Did make it back to the Bear Lake Trailhead in just a little bit over an hour, and that was with the Fire Trail shortcut. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Until the next hike, I'm Dave Spates, Hiking Adventure Photography.